These new teas from FS Boba together. We have Assam black tea, deep, malty, and full-bodied. Delicious mango juice drink. It's gonna be light, refreshing, and sweet. Jicha green tea, sweet, nutty, smoky, and roasty. Let's start with the Assam black tea. And I love that each tea comes with its own straw. Follow the boba up your straw. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. There's a hole in my straw. Dang it. Tea is delicious. That is actually so good. Assam black, you get a thumbs up. Next, let's try the delicious mango. Okay. I don't know about her. Okay. She's okay. Not my favorite. She's really not that bad. Assam black has got you beat, mango. Sorry. And last but not least, Jicha green tea. She's good too. I really didn't think I was gonna like the deeper, maltier, roastier, smokier flavors, but like, these are my favorite. If you love boba tea and you want it delivered to your doorstep, definitely check out FS Boba. You can get an assortment of flavors, or you can choose your favorite and get a 6-pack or a 12-pack. If you decide to try it out, let me know which one's your favorite and let me know what you think. Bye!